Hello everyone, welcome back to Secure 7. This is Parth and we have a new machine which is this is walkthrough of a hack the box machine. And today's we are facing in the wellhub.com to download the machine. Some issue here. So we try the hack the box, which is retired machine here, UnderPass. So we are connected with the VPN of hack the box, and here is the IP address of our UnderPass machine. Let's see details of the this machine, which is a Linux based machine. And here is the two flag, which is user flag and root flag. Okay, so machine informations here, there is a machine's information here, uh, and this machine is released on the 21 December. So let's jump into the our Kali Linux. So here is the nodes. This is the machine IP address, and this is the VPN IP address, tunnel IP address. Okay, so here I have already scanned the networks with using Nmap. So here is port 22 open and port 80 open. Okay, so here is the only 100 ports is checking. So I scan again this network, which is we have find it ports, which is 161's UDP port. These ports are only TCP, and this is the UDP ports. Filter radius, and there is a filter adect. One here we have the use the fuzz for the fuzzing the directories, and now we have the users directories. We find the user directories, so let's copy this link and paste it over here. But here the user is users here, so there we have the login page here. Login.php we use here, and let's see it's working or not. Okay, it's working. Login.php, it's users, we have the users directory, and there is one of the login.php here. So this is the Daloradius login page. So here is the default credentials is administrator and radius. So let's we copy this and we try in the our login page, paste it in the here, and let's we clear this. Okay, and here is the login page here, username, password and language. So let's we log in with the default credentials. It's working or not, let's we check it out. Here administrator and password is radius. Copy this and paste it on the password and login, and it's working or not. Let's check it out. Not now. Okay, again we type the copy here, username, password is radius, copy this and password here, login. If you are having trouble in your login account, it's making you enter wrong username and passwords. If you still login, if you verify your informations, please do not hesitate, we are always okay. It's making like here is the users not have the taking the users here, so we finding the operators page here in the our GoBuster. So let's check it out, the operators here. Operators, and this is the operators login page. So let's we try this informations here, copy this, paste it over here, administrator radius here, copy this, paste it over here. Let's we login, allow or not, let's check it here. This operators page login page is allow us to log in into the radius management page, okay, home page. So here we finding some here to like something here, which is go to the user list, and we have the svcMosh here, and there is we have found the our user in the our SNMP here. Steve is our user. So let's check it out something here, which is get the privilege escalations. So here is the svcMosh, and there is the password of this user. So let's copy and paste it in the our notes here. And svcMosh is our user. So let's check it out, this password, and crack this password with using hashcat. Copy this and go to the directory here, and cat, first we put this password into the hash.txt here. Okay, there is already having the file suspend, and we use the pluma cat hash.txt. okay, there is anything in this file, so it will not working. Okay, there is nothing in the hash.txt, so we put this our password here, and we use the hash cat here. Also we use the crack station for cracking the password. We I try both so that you can understand how is the password cracker user share word list. We use the roq.txt here, hit enter. Okay, dash okay, taking here space. Okay, here is the starting, and let's we check it out the crack stations here. Here we type our password and captcha, and submit and search. Here is the password underwater friends is our password, so let's copy this and paste into the our notes here, and check it out the hashcat is cracking our password or not. So hashcat is also crack this password, so let's we copy this and already pasted in the our notes. Okay, so now we're trying the SSH on this user. Kali clear this and SSH keychain, and typing the our IP address, copy from the here. SSH keychain is the must required for the SSH login. Enter. Okay, not found, so we type the SSH. Our user is svcMosh @ our IP address, hit enter, and yes, we have the password which is underwater friends. Copy this, paste it over here, hit enter, and we are logging into the user which is svcMosh is our user. ls here. Now let's find the password of sudo user, root user. Okay, so we use the sudo -l to getting some here mosdh-server user mosdh-server. So first we use the gtfo beans which is help us to how it works. Okay, so there is no mosdh-server here, so let's check it out something new here, mosh. So go to the here mosh, and here is the mosh is the like command which is used for the some, and here is the user being mosh and typing a new here. So we type the mosh -server here equals to sudo /user localhost here, and here we have the root. We use the mosh-server is equal to, we type the command sudo user bin mosh /server into the localhost. So here we type the like, first of all clear this, and we type the who am I. So check it out the who am I here, we are root. Okay, ls here, there is a root.txt. So this machine is vulnerable, and we are finding this flag in the mosdh-server command with using mosh. So thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and this is today's video.